Hi students, third chapter algebra exercise 3.3. Check whether p of x is a multiple of g of x or not. P of x equal to x cube minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 3, g of x equal to x minus 2 given. P of x is a multiple of g of x. Check whether, okay. Find x equal to 2 in this g of x. From this g of x we can find x value, okay. X value, substitute in p of x, substitute the x value in p of x. We get p of 2 equal to 0 means p of x is a multiple of g of x, otherwise not a multiple. என்ன பண்ணுறோம், g of xல இருந்து xக்கு வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். அந்த வேல்யூவை கண்டுபிடிச்சி p of xல சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ண போகிறோம். p of xல சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணி வர்ற வேல்யூ ஈக்குவல் டு 0 இருந்துச்சுன்னா p of x is a multiple of g of x, otherwise not a multiple of g of x. அதான் multiple, divisible எல்லாம் வந்தாலும் ஓகே. Now here x minus 2 equal to 0 means x equal to 2, x value. Substitute in this polynomial. இப்போ p of 2 equal to x இருக்கிறதுல எல்லாம் என்ன சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணணும், 2. 2 cube minus 5, 2 square plus 4 into 2 minus 3. Okay, 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. Not to multiply 2 into 3. 2 cube means 2 write 3 times. Okay, write 3 times 2 and then multiply. 8 minus 5. 2 square means 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8 minus 3. 8 minus 20 plus 8 minus 3. Okay, 8 plus 8, 16. 2 minus means put the minus sign and add the number. 23. 16 minus 23 minus 7 not equal to 0. Then p of x is not a multiple of g of x. Second sum, by the remainder theorem, find the remainder when p of x is divisible by g of x. Okay, we want to find the remainder. Okay, remainder means similarly same method, the answer is remainder. Okay, g of x equal to x plus 1. By x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1, substitute in p of x. But p of minus 1 whole cube, 2 into minus 1 whole square, minus 4 into minus 1, minus 1. Okay, minus 1 whole cube means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Okay, minus 2 into minus 1 squared, minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. Here multiply minus into minus plus 4 into 1, 4. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 into 1, minus 2 plus 4, minus 1. Okay, now plus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3, minus 1, minus 4. Okay, இப்போ 4 minus 4 equal to 0. The answer is remainder. இப்போ remainder equal to 0. Okay. Second part, p of x equal to 4x cube minus 12x square plus 14x minus 3, g of x equal to 2x minus 1. Here also we want to find the remainder. 2x minus 1 equal to 0, but 2x equal to minus 1 go to that side plus 1. X equal to 1 by 2. X equal to 1 by 2, substitute in p of x. So p of 1 by 2, 4 into 1 by 2 whole cube minus 12 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 14 into 1 by 2 minus 3. Okay, 1 by 2 whole cube means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, அப்போ 1 by 8. 1 by 8. அப்போ 4 into 1 by 8 minus 12 into 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4. Here cancel 7 minus 3. Here also cancel 4, 1 time, 2 time. 1 4s are 3 time. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, 4. Here 1 by 2 minus 3, 7 minus 3 plus 4. Okay, now 1 by 2, subtract this, minus 3 plus 4 plus 1, taking LCM. Okay, 1 plus 2 by 2, cross multiply. 1 plus 2 by 2, 3 by 2. The remainder is answer 3 by 2. Okay, third part, p of x equal to x cube minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 50, g of x equal to x minus 3. X minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. X equal to 3, substitute in p of x. Okay, now p of 3, 3 cube minus 3 into 3 squared plus 4 into 3 plus 50. 3 cube 27 minus 3 into 3 squared 9. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, 27, not 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3. 27 minus 3 into 3 squared means 3 into 3, 9. 4 3s are 12 plus 50. 27 here, 9 3s are 27. Here add this to 62. Plus 27 minus 27 cancel. Answer is 62, but remainder equal to 62. Okay. Next, third one. Find the remainder when one polynomial given is divided by x plus 3. Also same method. X plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to minus 3. I will take this one is p of x. Okay. But p of minus 3. But 3 into minus 3 whole cube minus 4 into minus 3 whole square plus 7 into minus 3 minus 5. But 3 into minus 3 whole cube means minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Okay, minus 3 into minus 3, 9 plus 9. 9 into 3, 27. 1 minus, minus 27. Here minus 4 into minus 3 whole squared. Minus 3 into minus 3. Okay, plus 9. Minus here 21. Minus 21 minus 5. Okay, but 3 into minus 27 minus 81. Here minus 4 into 9 minus 36 minus 21 minus 5. Okay, all term minus. Minus means minus 81. Here add the number and put the minus sign. 36 21 plus 5 add பண்ண 62 minus போட்டுக்கணும். ஓகேயா, இங்கே மைனஸ் ரெண்டுமே மைனஸ்னால் மைனஸ் போட்டு ஆட் பண்ணணும். அப்போ ஈக்குவல் டு ரிமைண்டர் ஈக்குவல் டு minus 143. அல்ஜீப்ரா மைனஸ் ப்ளஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஓகேயா, தெரியலேனா எழுதி மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி சிம்ப்ளிஃபை பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகேயா, டைரெக்டாக மைண்டில் போடுறேன், தப்பு விட்றாங்க. வாட் இஸ் த ரிமைண்டர் when x power 2018 plus 2018 is divided by x minus 1? Here also we want to find remainder. X minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. I will take this polynomial equal to p of x, x equal to 1. 1 power 2018 plus 2008. 1 power any number, 1 power any number 1. 1 plus 2018 equal to 2019. But remainder equal to 2019. Okay. Next, fifth sum. For what value of k is a polynomial p of x given exactly divisible by x minus 2? Here one k term given, we want to find the value of k. Here what is given? Exactly divisible by x minus 2. Exactly divisible means the remainder is 0. Okay, one polynomial exactly divisible by x minus 2 means the remainder equal to 0. Okay, by x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. P of x equal to, I will take this one is p of x. P of 2 equal to x equal to 2, substitute in this polynomial. P of 2 equal to 2 into 2 cube minus k into 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 10 equal to 0. Very important, the remainder is 0. Exactly divisible by means remainder is 0. Okay, 2 into 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 8 minus k into 2 into 2, 4 plus 6 plus 10 equal to 0. Here 8 2s are 16 minus 4k add this 16 equal to 0 minus 4k plus 16 32 equal to 0 minus 4k equal to, go to that side, minus 32 minus minus cancel, k equal to 32 by 4 cancel 8. அப்போ k equal to 8. Okay, sixth sum. If two polynomials 2x cube plus ax squared plus 4x minus 12 and x cube plus x squared minus 2x plus a. Leave the same remainder. Leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 3. Find the value of a and also find the remainder. Two polynomials given. The two polynomials have the same remainder. Same remainder. The polynomials divided by x minus 3. We want to find a and also find remainder. Okay, by x minus 3 given, x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. X equal to 3, I will take the first polynomial equal to p of x, second polynomial equal to q of x. Okay, now substitute x equal to 3 in p of x and q of x. That means p of 3, 2 into 3 cube plus a into 3 square plus 4 into 3 minus 12. 2 into 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, 27 plus a into 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. Okay, 4 3s are 12 minus 12. ஓகேயா, இதை சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணும்போது 3 இன்ட்டு 3 9 எழுதிடக்கூடாது. இதை 3 ஸ்கொயர்டு 3 இன்ட்டு 2 6ன்னு எழுதிடக்கூடாது. ஓகேயா, தெரியலேனா சைடில் எழுதி பார்த்துட்டு எழுதுங்க. 2 into 27 54 plus 12 minus 12 cancel 9a. And also find q of 3. 3 cube plus 3 square minus 2 into 3 plus a. 3 into 3 into 3 27 plus 3 squared 3 into 3 9 minus 6 plus a. Okay, 27 9 minus 6 3 plus a. 27 plus 3 30 plus a. Now given, leave the same remainder, then equating this two. Same remainder means p of 3 equal to q of 3. Okay, so p of 3 equal to 54 plus 9a, q of 3 equal to 30 plus a. Okay, but 9a, a term go to LHS, plus a go to that side, minus a. Here 30, 54 go to that side, minus 54. 9a minus a, 8a. Subtract minus 24. Okay, bigger number sign minus and then subtract. Here a equal to minus 24 by 8 cancel, we get minus 3. A equal to minus 3, and also we want to find the remainder. Okay, the remainder means substitute a equal to minus 3 in q of 3 or p of 3. p of 3 லையும் substitute பண்ணலாம், q of 3 லையும் substitute பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, நான் q of 3ல substitute பண்ணியிருக்கேன். 30 plus a, q of 3 value 30 plus a equal to minus 3. Substitute 30 minus a equal to 30 minus 3 equal to 27, remainder equal to 27. Okay, seventh sum, determine whether x minus 1 is a factor of the following polynomials. Okay, factor means always the remainder equal to 0. Okay, the remainder value equal to 0 means this one is a factor. Okay, by x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. X minus 1 is a factor. Determine whether x minus 1 factor ஆன் கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஆன்சர் வந்து 0 வந்துச்சுன்னா factor, 0 வரலைன்னா not a factor. Okay, by x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1, substitute in this polynomial. இப்போ p of x equal to, I will take this polynomial p of 1, 1 cube plus 5 into 1 square minus 10 into 1 plus 4. Okay, 1 cube 1 into 1 into 1, 1 plus 5 into 1 into 1, 1, 1 5s are 5 minus 10 plus 4. Okay, here 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 4 10, minus 10, 10 minus 10 0. Therefore x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Okay, factor of p of x. Next, second part, p of x equal to x power 4 plus 5x squared minus 5x plus 1. Here also x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. X minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. P of 1 equal to, substitute x equal to 1, 1 power 4 plus 5 into 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 1. Okay, now 1 power 4 means 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, 4 times. It's also 1. Okay, 1 எத்தனை தடவை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் 1 தான். plus 5 into 1 square, 1 into 1, 1, 1 5s are 5, minus 5 plus 1, plus 5 minus 5 cancel, we get 2, not equal to 0. Okay, 0 கிடையாது, அதனால x minus 1 is not a factor of p of x. Okay, next 8th one, using factor theorem. Using factor theorem means always the remainder equal to 0. Show that x minus 5 is a factor of the polynomial. Similarly, same method, x minus 5 equal to 0 by x equal to 5. I will take this polynomial equal to p of x. Substitute x equal to 5, p of 5 equal to 2 into 5 cube minus 5 into 5 square minus 28 into 5 plus 15. Okay, 2 into 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Okay, minus 5 into 5 square, 5 into 5, 25. 28 into 5, 140 plus 15. Here 2 into 125, 250. 5 into 25 minus 125 minus 140 plus 15. Plus term first. 250 plus 15. That is 265. Now 2 minus. Then put the minus sign. Add this to value 265. 265 minus 265, 0. X minus 5 is a factor of p of x. Okay. 9th sum, determine the value of m if x plus 3 is a factor of x cube minus 3x square minus mx plus 24. Here m value given, we want to find m. X plus 3 is a factor given. Okay, x plus 3 is a factor given means the remainder equal to 0. Exactly divisible means also the remainder equal to 0. Is a factor means also the remainder equal to 0. X plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to minus 3. Okay, now I will take this one is p of x. P of x, p of minus 3 whole cube minus 3 into minus 3 whole square minus m into minus 3 plus 24 equal to 0. Very important. Okay, so factor means the remainder equal to 0. Minus 3 whole cube means minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Okay, minus 3 into minus 3, 9. 9 3s are 27, minus 27. Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, 9 plus 9. Here minus into minus plus 3m plus 24 equal to 0. Minus 27. Here also minus 27 plus 3m plus 24 equal to 0. Minus 27, put the minus sign and add the number. Okay, 2 minus means put the minus sign and add the number. Minus 54 plus 3m plus 24 equal to 0. Okay, now 3m. Now subtract this 2 value. Here bigger number sign minus, subtract 30 equal to 0. 3m equal to plus 30, go to minus 30, go to that side, plus 30, m equal to 30 by 3, cancel, we get 10. By m equal to 10. Okay, 10th sum, if both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are the factors of one polynomial given, then show that a plus b, a equal to b. Okay, two values given, the two x values are factors of a one polynomial, then show that a equal to b. Now I will take this one is a p of x. X minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. Substitute in p of 2, a into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus b equal to 0 or the factors. Okay, then equal to 0. For 2 square 4a plus 10 plus b equal to 0. 4a plus b plus 10 go to that side, minus 10. I will take equation number 1. Okay, next x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0, x equal to 1 by 2. Substitute 1 by 2 in this. Okay, but p of 1 by 2 equal to a into 1 by 2 whole square plus 5 into 1 by 2 plus b equal to 0. But a into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 plus multiply. Multiply means 5 into 1. Numerator மட்டும் தான் multiply பண்ணணும் நம்பரோட. 1 into 5, 5 by 2. Okay, plus b equal to 0. Here a plus 4 plus 5 by 2 plus b equal to 0. Now taking LCM, it's bigger number 4, LCM A. Here also we want to 4 means multiplied by 2. Okay, multiplied by 2. 5 2s are 10. Here we want 4 multiplied by both the numerator and denominator multiplied by 4, 4b. Okay, but A plus 10 plus 4b equal to 0 divided by 4. Okay, cross multiply 0 into 4 0. Okay, the value போயிரும். இப்போ A plus 10 plus 4b equal to 0. இப்போ A plus 4b equal to minus 10. I will take equation number 2. Okay, see the first equation, RHS minus 10. Okay, and here also second equation RHS minus 10. Equating 1 and 2. ரெண்டு equation equate பண்ணோம்னா first equation LHS 4a plus b, second equation LHS a plus 4b, equating this 2. Okay, இப்போ 4a plus b go to that side, minus b, plus a go to that side, minus a, plus b go to that side, minus b. Okay, இப்போ 4a minus a, 4b minus b. இப்போ 3a equal to 3b, 3 cancel, a equal to b. Hence proved. இதுதான் நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, a equal to b ன்னு சொல்லணும். இப்போ hence proved. 11th sum, if x minus 1 divides the polynomial kx cube plus 2x squared plus 25x minus 26 without remainder, then find the value of k. Without remainder means the remainder equal to 0. Without remainder means the remainder equal to 0. See that one? X minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. I will take this one is a p of x. Substitute 1 in x. P of 1 equal to k into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 squared plus 25 into 1 minus 26 equal to 0. Without remainder means value 0. Okay, but k 1 cube 1 into 1 into 1 1 k minus 2 into 1 into 1 1, then minus 2 plus 25 minus 26 equal to 0. Appa k into minus 2 minus 26. What is the value? 2 minus sign, add the number 28 plus 25 equal to 0. K, subtract this 2, bigger number sign minus, okay, and subtract 3. K minus 3 equal to 0, minus 3 go to that side, plus 3, k equal to 3. You get the answer. Okay, 12th sum, check if x plus 2 and x minus 4 are the sides of the rectangle whose area is x squared minus 2x minus 8 by using factor theorem. Okay, now so area value given, area x squared minus 2x minus 8 given. These two are sides of the rectangle. Sides of the rectangle. Now check it sides. இந்த ரெண்டும் சைட்ஸாக இருக்கணும்னா என்ன ஆகணும்? இதை டிவைட் ஆகிருக்கணும், கரெக்டாக டிவைட் பண்ணியிருக்கணும். அப்போ இஸ் அ ஃபேக்டராக இருக்கணும். ஃபேக்டராக இருக்கணும்னா அந்த ரிமைண்டர் என்ன ஆகிருக்கணும்? 0 ஆகிருக்கணும். ரிமைண்டர் 0 ஆகிருக்கணும். எக்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு minus 2 சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணும்போதும் 0 ஆகிருக்கணும். எக்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 4 சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணும்போதும் 0 ஆச்சுன்னா இந்த ரெண்டும் என்னது? இந்த ஏரியாவுக்கு சைட்ஸாக இருக்கும். ஓகே, இப்போ ஏரியா ஈக்குவல் டு x squared minus 2x minus 8 given. I will take this one is a p of x. X plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. X க்கு பதிலா minus 2 substitute பண்ணோம்னா minus 2 whole square minus 2 into minus 2 minus 8. So minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 4. Here minus into minus plus 4 minus 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Okay, this one is we get 0. Next substitute x minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to 4. Substitute 4 squared minus 2 into 4 minus 8 plus 16. 4 squared, 4 into 4, 16 minus 8 minus 8. 16 minus 8, sorry, 16 minus, subtract 2 minus mean put the minus sign and add the number 16. 16 minus 16, 0. Okay, here also we get 0. But therefore x plus 2 and x minus 4 are the sides of the rectangle whose area is x squared minus 2x minus 8. Okay, get the answer. Thank you, students.